My name is Paul Miller, and I am Director of Transportation for a company here in Hickory, North Carolina, and been here for 30 years. Raised 3 boys, and getting towards retirement now, and wanted to have sort of a man cave, and this Sheds Unlimited gave me the opportunity to actually live that dream. One of the things, when I was out there looking for a company and found Sheds Unlimited, was the ability to take my vision and my thoughts and how I wanted it to look and actually bring it to reality. The other thing was the time that it was going to take for the build. I mean, a local builder here would probably have taken months, where these guys, it was amazing, in and out in 3 days. And so with that, actually had the whole neighborhood coming and setting up lawn chairs and watching the guys work, and it was fun to watch, and wow, they just did a fantastic job. The biggest thing was, I was like, how are they going to get it down here? How many trucks and all this kind of stuff? And they really put me at ease, because they said, we've done this a lot of times and we've got it, and nothing to worry about. The people were fantastic, and if I would call with a concern, prior to the build, hey, we'll take care of that, Mr. Miller, and then got it right back to me. And so then when the team came on site, it was again a well-oiled machine, and just these guys hit the ground running. They did not stop. Cost was a big factor, and I thought that from a cost perspective, with 2x6 construction versus 2x4 construction was a big sell for me, and just being able to go online and look at some of the other projects that were out there that they had already done. Obviously it wasn't their first rodeo, so to speak. I think it completed this, the pool setting for us, and it just, having this, we wanted to have a restroom down here by the pool area. We've got a restroom, shower, changing area. The future for upstairs will be a studio for myself, and that I can work, and I can have a shop area down here. And so I would highly recommend Sheds Unlimited to anybody that's going down, this kind of project road, because they can lead you through all the steps. They have the professionals, in-house, to be able to lead you, down through each step. And to me, plus the quality and the time of build, I don't think you can beat it, and I've recommended Sheds Unlimited to a lot of other people. It's pretty much what I visioned, and again come to reality through Sheds Unlimited.